a crypto signal would somehow look like this, and worth noticing is that it tells us the market we are going to be trading. Okay, and as you can see here, it says spot market. Okay, so the next thing to notice here is that it tells us the cryptocurrency pairs we're going to be trading, and in this case we're trading BTC/USDT. Now we need to explain this a little bit, and to do this, BTC is the base currency while USDT is our quote. What does this mean? What this means is that we're using USDT to buy BTC. Okay, so this is similar to going to a supermarket to buy, let's say, an egg. If this is the egg right here and you're spending $2 to buy the egg, what you're using to buy the egg in this case is $2, and $2 therefore is your quote. Why the egg is what you're buying, which is your base currency. Okay, so if I come to the mobile app of Binance, you can see down here where it says trade. If you click on that trade, it's gonna bring you here. Okay, you can see this is where you can search the trading pairs. Okay, whatever signal you have, you would always have your trading pairs. You can see the BTC/USDT I'm talking about. Okay, so this is where you're going to search it. Okay, so if the trading pair you're looking for is not here, make sure you click on that. Basically, that's how you look for the trading pair, and make sure that you are on the spot tab here. And there are a lot of centralized exchanges where you can do this trading. You can do this on Bitmount, you can do on Coinbase, you can do on Binance. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we're doing it on Binance. Okay, so the next thing is buy zone. Okay, so this right here talks about the price range where you are gonna have to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so basically what this thing means is that if the price of Bitcoin falls within this range, that you should buy. Okay, so if Bitcoin falls between $37,500 or even down to $36,000, then you should place your buy order. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? Okay, so let's go back to Binance again. Back here on Binance, basically what you're gonna do is you can see where it says buy, and then you can see where it says sell. So I'm gonna push it back to buy. Okay, because we want to buy BTC with USDT, and now it's very important that you know that you have to have USDT because this is what you're gonna use to buy BTC. Okay, so you might be asking, how do I get USDT to buy BTC? Now there are different ways you can do this. Now you can use what we call P2P trading to buy USDT and have USDT deposited into your account here, or you could use your card, okay, to buy it. Okay, I'm gonna leave some resourceful videos down the description of this video in case you're interested in buying USDT. Those videos are gonna show you how to buy using your bank card or P2P. Okay, so now once you have USDT, then you come over here. We're going to look at the price of Bitcoin. Okay, as we can see, as at the time of filming this video, Bitcoin is already at $39,000. Okay, so that's the price of Bitcoin. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this place where we have limit, this little button here. You're going to click on that. There are different kind of buy orders. We have the limit order, we have the market order, and a lot of other stuff here you can see. Okay, so we're using the limit order. Okay, so what that means is that you are buying Bitcoin at a price between 37,500 or even down to 36,000. Okay, so you're gonna put the price you want. Okay, because the price of Bitcoin right now has not dropped to that price range. So you're gonna put the price you want to buy. So we're buying at 37,500. Okay, so the next thing will be you're gonna click on this. Okay, so if you're gonna use 100% of the USDT you've got to buy at this price, then what you're gonna do is you click on this. If you want to use 75%, you're gonna click on this. If you want to use 50%, then you're gonna click on the 50%. Okay, so let's say we go with the 100%. That means 100% all of your USDT you're gonna use to buy BTC at this price. Okay, now mind you, the price of BTC has not dropped to this. Okay, as at the time of filming, it is around $39,000. Okay, so that means from the prediction of the signal, the price is gonna hit this. Okay, so once it hits this, this is going to be filled. Your buy order is gonna be filled. Okay, so the next thing here would be to click buy BTC. Okay, so and the order will be filled. and displayed down here. You can see it here. It will be displayed here as an open order, okay, because it is not filled yet. Okay, so it will be displayed here, and once the price gets to this, the price is going to be filled and it's going to be bought. Okay, so once it is bought, the next thing will be to sell. Okay, so let's go back to our signal. Now you're selling, and you can see where it says TP1 here. Okay, so this simply means you're taking your first profit at $39,000, $40,000, $41,000. This will be your next selling point. So you're going to take profit at this price, this price, this price. So what does this mean? Once we are on the sell tab, okay, the next thing would be to impute the price we want to sell. Okay, so let's say the price is already at $39,000. okay, so let's say you want to take profit at $40,000. so what that means is that you're going to put $40,000 right here. Okay, so this is $40,000, so that's basically what you're saying. And let's say the BTC you bought, you want to sell 100% of them, so you're going to click on that. So you're basically telling the system, once the price of Bitcoin right now is at $39,000, once the price of Bitcoin hits 40,000, that your BTC should be sold. Okay, and you can see once it is sold at $40,000, you'll be making a profit, because remember, you bought when the price dropped to $37,500 and now you're selling at $40,000. You'll be making some profit. Okay, so your sell order is going to be at this. Okay, and then you will click sell. Okay, when you click sell, then of course, because the price of Bitcoin has not gotten to $40,000, it is going to be displayed here as an open order. Okay, and once the price hits $40,000, it will be filled, and once that happens, you would make some profit. Okay, so sometimes your crypto signals would give you a stop loss. Okay, in this case, we have $36,000. Okay, so how do we interpret this on Binance? So if stop loss is given, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this place where we have this button, and then you're going to click on that, and then you can see where it says stop limit. Okay, so you're going to click on the stop limit button. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put the stop loss. Okay, in this case, you're saying that if the price of Bitcoin drops to $36,000, that the system should sell. What does this mean? Okay, you're basically saying that you want to sell at $40,000. So I'm going to put $40,000 here. So basically what you're saying is that, hello, I want to sell my Bitcoin, which I bought at $7,500 for $40,000, okay, per one, right? But if after filling this order and the price, instead of going up and it starts dropping, that you're willing to sell your Bitcoin, if it drops to $36,000, you're telling the system to sell. Okay, so you're going to click on 100% here. So this means that once it drops to $36,000, you're willing to stop your loss. Okay, because you're already losing. Remember, you bought it at $37,500. So if the price, instead of going to $40,000, which is your first take profit, and it keeps dropping and dropping and dropping and drops below your buying price and goes down to $36,000, you're saying that the system should sell. Okay, so in this case, you're not making a profit. So this is exactly what this thing right here means. Okay, Brigxel Bees, and is your guy Ken signing out.